Hi, have you heard about the Past Data Community Summit? It's a free online conference scheduled for November 8 to 12, 2021, offering over 200 free sessions. This is an opportunity not only for you to learn from the experts, but also a chance for you to invite your children to learn along with you. That's right. See, in the past, the cost of an in-person event for travel, food, lodging, etc., prevented them from participating. Now, since this is a free online conference, generously offered by Redgate Software and Microsoft, it is open to everyone to connect, share, and learn. The three themes, Back to Basics, Reach for the Clouds, and Level Up, provide various levels of training. For example, my session in Back to Basics, called Hitting the Bricks, Introduction to Databricks, answers what is Databricks. It walks through the Databricks workspace, setting up a cluster, using notebooks, and working with data in Databricks. I hope you will join us for the Past Data Community Summit in November. I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun. See you then.